What's up everyone, Jesse here. So today we're finna be working on this 2011 Ford Escape that is in mint condition, showroom condition. Psych, that's a lie. Let's check it out. I'm gonna show you guys the car like the homeboy car wizard does in the beginning. So there's the exterior. We got some scratches. Look at this scratch right here. What the fuck was bro doing? My brother Steven, he out here driving like an Asian. Not just an Asian, a girl Asian. Look at this, bro, for sure. Homie does not care about his car. Bro, homie must have for sure done a hit and run. So he told me that the hood opened while he was driving and smacked the windshield. Good thing the windshield's good, but the hood got fucked. And you see the color difference right here? We got gray, black. This ain't his first rodeo. Alright, check it out. So if you're into worn out door panels, scratches on your interior, weather strip just hanging. What the fuck? Alright, it's my phone. I thought it was a car. Thought my fat ass must have dent something. The interior's not that dirty, and I'm not finna roast my boy on that, because I understand when you have a kid, it's kind of difficult to keep your car clean. I mean, not for me, but it is a full-time job. All right, let's check out that engine. Oh yeah, I don't need to do that. So under the hood, damn, this thing is heavy. We got a 4-banger right there, pushing 171 ball league or power. Yeah, so this little baby right here has over 238,000 miles. It's seen some curbs, it's seen some side highways, it's probably seen some off-roading that it shouldn't have. It's probably seen hella things for sure. You know, at least Ford built the engine right. They did right on this engine. Out on the 4.6 and the 5.0. I fuck with that. Alright, well, enough showing you guys this awesome whip. Let's get to work. So today we're going to be replacing the front brake pads and rotors. Since my boy Steven has warranty on them and he wants some new brake pads and rotors. If Boss Man wants that, let's make it happen. Let's slap in some fresh rotors and pads. They look fine to me, but let's get in there. Alright, let me change my fit. Check out the drip. Nike sweater. Got it on sale. I don't know, I think it was like 20 bucks. Champs, 4 for 24. My girl's pants, she just gave it to me. Jordans. Oh, I gotta clean them up. 200. Socks in a pack. I think they came like 10 bucks. Underwear. Pack. I think 15. They'd be expensive. Hat. $30. So we're gonna need a 19mm deep socket and a 1/2" drive ratchet to break loose the wheel lug nuts. You wanna do this before lifting the vehicle. That way it's so much easier for you. All right. So it's always recommended to support the vehicle on some jack stands, but I'm just gonna use the floor jack because I live a dangerous lifestyle. So yeah, rotors and brake pads, they look fine to me, but they have warranties, so we can replace them for free. Well, the parts, I won't be charging the parts since they have warranty. I am charging my boy 60 bucks an axle. Well, no, 30 bucks an axle, 60 bucks total. Hella cheap, super deal. And normally it's like 60 an axle, so 120 or 80 an axle. But it really just depends if I fuck with you, if I like you, if you're cool. Lefty. Forgot it was. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright you guys, if y'all want to watch an in-depth, step-by-step, instructional, professional video on how to replace the brake pads and rotors on this Ford Escape, I will be having a link to that video, since I've already done this before, in the video description, so you guys can check it out. Gotta remove this hardware first, but you gotta be careful because you don't want this to pop out, hit you in the face. Oh, there you go. Not too bad. Alright, let's compress the caliper piston. Alright. Take this off. Take this off. Oh shit. Check them out. Get in there. Why the new ones look even thinner than the old ones? Look at that. These are the new ones. Bro, they're charging us more and giving us less. That's right. Left. Right. There. Gotta make sure you're strong as me to be able to do this job without electrical tools. There. Boom. Now the rotor slides off. And now we just throw it away. Now we put the new one. Like that. What's that, you guys? The rotor's not installed right? Ah, you're right. Good job. It's supposed to be facing this way. Clean that up. We're gonna have to torque it to 2 ons. Let's see. 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. Now let's slide in that new pad. Slap that there. Put in the caliper with the new pad in it already. Alright, so these are torqued to 22 foot-pounds. Just gonna give it one nice one little super annoying. Oh, there you go. Okay, it wasn't too bad. Perfect. Now let's put the covers for the caliper bolts. Alright, and we're all done. Super easy, you guys. Y'all could do this yourself at home, and you don't need no special tools, no electrical tools. You saw that. I could do it like I did it. Alright, so we're done here. All we have to do is close the master cylinder cap, pump the brake pedal a few times. Make sure we push this hood down. We don't want it to fly out. There you go. Ooh. Alright, you guys, so we're done replacing the front brake pads and rotors. They're fixed. Now if we could only fix the rest of the car, this junk. But that's for another video. When my boy's ready to sell this junk and get himself a Tesla. Yeah, he needs a Tesla. He's a cowboy fan. Now, before you guys come after me because I have a Tesla, I have it for a different reason, alright? I'm using it to work. Alright? Homeboy needs it for another reason. Well, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. And I'm gonna be real, I don't even know if it helps the channel. Alright, so if y'all wanna watch some more videos, there'll be some right here. Click on it. And some over here. Click on it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.